Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change hair color in Capcut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone. This is my Capcut and I'm going to launch this application and I'm going to create new project. And then we can choose the video we want to edit or the video we want to change the hair color in. And I'm just going to use video from the Capcut library since I don't have any footage to be edited. I'm going to go to the library and I'm going to select, for example, this one guys. I'm going to change the hair color of this girl and I'm going to add it to my project. And to change the hair color, we're going to use effect in the Capcut. So we can go to the effects menu and then select the body effect. And we're going to select the role category. Okay, this one. And then we can select the hair color swap. Okay, then you can adjust this effect. You can change the color right here. You can play around with the slider to change the color. Choose the color that you like. And I'm gonna go with this purple color. And then we can adjust the texture and then the intensity as well. And if you're not satisfied, you can click on reset and you can readjust it. But if you have been satisfied, you can click on this check mark and then you can make the effect align with your video like this. Alright, and as you can see that the hair color has been changed. And actually guys, if you are a premium user, you can use the hair color effect in the Capcut. Wait, I'm going to show you. You can go to the hair category, hair salon category. Okay, if you are a pro user, you can use this effect to change your hair color. And since I'm not a premium user, I'm just going to use the effect from the role category. It's called hair color swap effect. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change hair color in Capcut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.